Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about remove function of list. So let us talk about it. Remove function is used to remove the specific element from the list. It accepts the value as an argument which is to be deleted instead of an index position. So in our previous videos, we have learned that del and pop, these two functions accept index position as an argument from where the element is to be removed or deleted. But remove function works in an opposite manner. It accepts the element as an argument which is to be deleted. So what is the syntax for the same? List1 dot remove of element. That means list1 is the variable which is holding a list of elements, and with the help of dot operator we are using remove function. And inside the round brackets of remove function, we are passing an element which is to be deleted. So we don't bother that where my element is stored inside the list. That means we don't look after the index position of an element, but we look after the element directly. For example, list 1. This is my list of elements. Now, I want to remove 23 from this list. So I don't know that where my 23 is stored into my list, whether it is stored at first location or third location or 10th location. I don't know about it. I only know about the element which is to be deleted. Now, my print function is going to return me this list. And this new list is not containing 23 element inside it because it has been removed. So it doesn't matter where your element is stored, but what matters? The element which is to be removed. Now, I can show you this practically as well. I'm going to take one list, L1 is equal to, now let me take a list of elements um, in this way. Now, I'm going to remove, uh, we can take 56. So this element I want to remove from my list. Once I press enter, I will not get anything. That means my remove function is not going to return me anything. Now, my print function will give me, I'm so sorry, I have passed list 1, but my variable name is L1. So my print function, my print statement will return me this new list, which is not containing 56 element because it has been removed with the help of remove function. So this is how a remove function works. Now, further we are going to learn that what are the differences between remove, del and pop. So let us move back onto the PPT. Now, first difference. Remove method accepts an element as an argument which is to be deleted. This we have done just now. Whereas del and pop, both methods accept an index value as an argument. So let me show you this, although we have done it in the previous videos as well. But just to recapitulate everything, L1.pop. Now, I need not to accept the element directly, but I need to accept the index position. So I want to remove the element from the 0th location, let's say. So I'm passing 0 inside my pop function and it is returning me 12, right? So I'm passing an argument as an index value. And similarly, in my del also, I will be writing this. That means I want to remove an element from the first location, right? It is not going to return me anything, but I can check the authenticity by using print function. So 12 has been removed earlier, and after removing the 12, my list was 34, 78, 90, and 25. And after that, I have removed one more element from the first location. So if we talk about starting of the list from 34, then my first location is 78. So it has also been deleted. Now my list is containing only 3 elements. So this is how remove, pop, and del functions work. In the remove, we directly pass the element. Now, coming back onto the PPT, second point. Remove method can only delete a single item one at a time, and pop function also. That means this is the similarity between remove and pop, that these two functions can only remove one item one at a time, whereas del function can be used for removing two or more elements one at a time. So this also I can show you practically. Like, let me take one more list over here. L1 is equal to, let me define it again. So if I say del L1 of 2 is to 5, that means I'm giving the slicing which I want to remove from second element till fifth element. So it will be removed, and once I'll print my L1, I will get this particular result. So how many elements are removed? The element which is stored at second location, third location, and fourth location. So 3 elements are removed. Earlier we had 6 elements, now we have 3 elements in our list. But this functionality is not at all possible with the help of remove and pop. We cannot specify a slice over there. We cannot specify 2 or more elements over there to be deleted. So this is how remove, pop, both are different from del. Now coming back onto this PPT, third point is remove method does not return the deleted element as an output. This we have seen. Del method also doesn't return the deleted element as an output, but pop method returns the deleted element as an output. So if we talk about remove and del, both are similar in nature. That means both does not return the deleted element, whereas pop returns. So that I have shown you earlier also, like once I applied L1 dot pop of 0, I got the result as 12. That means 12 element has been removed. So my pop method has returned me the deleted element. But once I applied this remove function, in the next line, I did not get any output. Similarly, when I applied this del function, I did not get any output in the next line there. But with the help of print statements, I got to know that yes, the element has been removed. So these are the differences between remove, del, and pop. Now, all three functions can be used to delete the elements from the list, but it depends upon the user's requirement that whether the user is going to delete any element by its value directly or by specifying the index position. So according to the requirement, we can choose any of the function. So I hope the concept is clear. Keep watching, keep practicing. I will come with more tutorials in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.